Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to success and financial freedom. Today, we have something special for you. We'll be diving into the mind-blowing book, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, by Harv Eker. This book has transformed countless lives and shattered limiting beliefs about wealth. So, grab a notebook and get ready to uncover the hidden treasures within these pages. Chapter 1. Welcome to your Millionaire Mind. In this chapter, Eker introduces us to the concept of the wealth blueprint. He emphasizes that our financial success is not solely determined by external factors, but rather by our mindset and beliefs. Eker challenges us to examine our childhood conditioning and belief systems surrounding money. Are they empowering or limiting? It's time to take control of our mindset and rewrite our financial destiny. Chapter 2. The Wealth Files. Eker shares his wealth files in this chapter, which are the fundamental principles that millionaires live by. From the importance of thinking big to embracing abundance rather than scarcity, these wealth files challenge us to rewire our thinking and adopt a millionaire mindset. Eker provides practical exercises to help us implement these files into our daily lives, setting us on the path to financial success. Chapter 3. Your Money Blueprint. Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract money while others constantly struggle? Eker reveals that our money blueprint, formed during childhood, holds the key. He teaches us how to identify and change our negative money patterns, empowering us to transform our financial reality. By understanding and reprogramming our money blueprint, we gain control over our financial destiny. Chapter 4. The Wealth Files. Rich people think big, poor people think small. In this chapter, Eker challenges us to expand our thinking and abandon our fear of dreaming big. He shares inspiring stories of successful individuals who started with nothing but achieved incredible wealth through their audacious visions. Eker encourages us to set lofty goals and create a clear roadmap for success. Remember, the size of your dreams determines the size of your success. Chapter 5. The Wealth Files. Rich people focus on opportunities, poor people focus on obstacles. Here, Eker highlights the importance of maintaining a positive mindset when faced with challenges. While the poor see obstacles as roadblocks, millionaires view them as opportunities for growth. Eker shares valuable insights on shifting our perspective, reframing problems, and staying solution-oriented. By adopting a can-do attitude, we create the foundation for limitless success. Chapter 6. The Wealth Files. Rich people are committed to being rich. Poor people want to be rich. Commitment is a key factor differentiating the wealthy from the average. Eker emphasizes that true commitment to wealth goes beyond mere desire. It requires unwavering dedication and taking consistent action towards financial success. In this chapter, Eker guides us to develop a strong commitment to our financial goals and align our actions with our intentions. By embodying the mindset of a committed millionaire, we pave the way for lasting wealth. Chapter 7. The Wealth Files. Rich people think both, poor people think either/or. Eker explores the power of embracing abundance rather than settling for scarcity thinking. While poor people often limit themselves with an either/or mindset, successful individuals adopt a both mentality. They believe that they can have both wealth and a fulfilling life in all areas. Eker challenges us to break free from limited thinking and embrace the idea that we can have it all. Chapter 8. The Wealth Files. Rich people focus on their net worth, poor people focus on their working income. In this eye-opening chapter, Eker highlights the importance of shifting our focus from earning a high income to building substantial net worth. He encourages us to adopt a long-term perspective on wealth accumulation and to invest wisely. By redirecting our attention to building assets and creating passive income streams, we lay the foundation for true financial freedom. Chapter 9. The Wealth Files. Rich people manage their money well, poor people mismanage their money well. Eker dives into the crucial aspect of financial management in this chapter. He exposes the common money mismanagement habits that keep people stuck in a cycle of scarcity. Eker teaches us practical strategies for budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. By developing strong money management skills, we gain control over our financial destiny and pave the way for long-term wealth accumulation. Chapter 10. The Wealth Files. Rich people have their money work hard for them. Poor people work hard for money. In the final chapter of this incredible book, Eker emphasizes the importance of shifting from a labor-intensive mindset to one of financial leverage. He reveals the power of passive income, investing, and creating systems that generate wealth without constant effort. Eker inspires us to break free from the time for money trap and create a life where our money works hard for us. And there you have it, a captivating summary of Harv Eker's Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. This book truly is a game changer, transforming the way we think about wealth and success. Remember, your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial potential. So, grab a copy of this book, dive deep into its wisdom, and embark on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.